In the spring of 2020, something exciting happened. Along the winding banks of O'Bannon Creek at Long Branch Farm and Trails, 4 large nests were reportedly spotted atop a giant sycamore tree. And on each massive bundle of sticks sat a great blue heron, or 2 or 3. This special colony of nests was a heron rookery, a safe communal home for this species to raise their young together. The herons have returned to this location each spring, and the rookery has since grown to as many as 14 nests. A sure sign that the waters of O'Bannon Creek continue to provide them with clean water and a productive resource for food. You see, clean water is the foundation of a healthy ecosystem. This is why our team is fiercely dedicated to habitat restoration and nurturing biodiversity. With 1,800 acres comes an enormous responsibility to not only care for this land, but to provide a sanctuary where our community can truly connect with nature. Through our continued research and best land management practices, we are making a difference for our environment, but most importantly, for the next generation. Help us continue to restore habitat and protect a future for all of us.